Hi everyone, I am back. I'm here to talk to you about what happened the last 2 weeks, what it's done to me. My voice, I physically have gotten sick because of it, but I'm here, I'm back, and I want to tell you everything. A couple of weeks ago, my Gmail account was hacked. I woke up in the morning and I had several emails saying my phone number was removed, my recovery email was removed, that I installed backup codes, that I had a Google Authenticator, none of which was true. But by that time, I was completely shut down and locked out of my Gmail account, so there was nothing I can do. Google does not have a direct way to access them by chat or phone number or anything like that. So I was going down rabbit holes of going on the internet, going on Reddit, trying to figure out what to do. None of that worked. So I actually went and posted a video on my old YouTube channel, which was my personal YouTube channel, which I had started before I even began my business. And I posted a long video there and I got so many comments and supportive emails from people that don't even know who I am. I just showed up on their home feed. And a lot of people said, hey, well, you need to go to Twitter, or I'm sorry, what's now known as X, and you need to tag Team YouTube and they'll help you. Well, I did that for a week. I went on multiple times a day and sent them emails and I never heard anything. So that didn't work. Then I reached out and said, hey, on my socials, and I said, hey, do you know anyone that works at Google? Maybe they could help me. Then I received a ton of emails from people saying, hey, I work at Google, I can help you, or a friend shared your video. But then I was already freaked out and I was like, well, what if these people really don't work at Google? So I didn't go down that avenue at all because I just didn't know what to do, what to believe, who to trust. I didn't know what to do. So I knew I had to recover my Gmail. That was my first step. But all of the online forms were recovery forms. I couldn't fill any of that out because the person that stole my Gmail had control of all the recovery methods. So I could not recover my Gmail account. Finding a form sounds a lot harder when you are completely locked out of everything. And it took me almost a week just to get access to the form. So I had someone say, well, hey, what are you paying for that Google owns? And I pay for YouTube TV. Now, of course, I was completely locked out of that, but I still had a way to chat with someone from that department. The first person was no help whatsoever. But the next day I went on and I got someone by the name of John. I don't know if John will ever see this, but I am beyond grateful to John. He spent 2 hours trying to troubleshoot everything for me, even though that wasn't even his department. And by the end of the 2 hours, he said, I will file a complaint or a request on your behalf and have someone from the appropriate department reach out to you. I left thinking probably nothing's going to happen, but man, he worked above and beyond. It was chat support, and it wasn't even his department. So I was completely grateful. The next day, I had a couple of people say, hey, if you know anyone with a larger channel of over 100,000, they get access to actual support. And fortunately, one of my best friends and the co-owner of the summit that I run, she has a channel of over 100,000 subscribers. So she was actually able to reach out on my behalf, tell them what happened, and they were able to email me the form that I needed. On the same day, I got that form twice from 2 different departments. One on behalf of whoever Justine talked to for me, and the other on behalf of John from YouTube TV. So I got the form that I needed from 2 different sources on the same day, which was amazing. So I immediately filled out that form, like 20 seconds. I was down filling out that form and I was like, thank God something's going to happen. Once that form was actually submitted, the process actually started. The next day I woke up saying that my form has been received, it's been assigned to this correct department, and they will begin work on trying to recover my Gmail account. That took about a week because each day I woke up and I had new email, new questions that I had to fill out and answer. So I'd answer it. The next day I'd have more questions. I'd answer it. The next day I'd have more questions. But it didn't matter because I knew that at least I was in the hands of someone that could help me. And finally, I got access to my Gmail. And that gave me access to my Google Drive, to all of my Google accounts and everything. So I immediately locked that down. And I'll tell you in just a minute what I did and what I would advise you to do so that this doesn't happen to you. So once I got my Gmail account back and it was verified that it was me and my account and everything was locked down, they proceeded to go on to my YouTube and try to go ahead and get that back to me. And that took a number of days too. And again, I had to wake up, answer emails, next day, answer emails, but it didn't matter. I wasn't mad about it. I wasn't frustrated because I knew it was eventually going to get back. And guess what? My channel is back. Things are a little weird. My playlists are gone, but I don't care. My channel of 20 years is back. The whole process took a couple of weeks and it took a toll on me. You can tell by my voice. I lost sleep. I got sick. My immune system was drained. It was just an incredible violation to be hacked. And I'm just a card maker. And a lot of people didn't even know me. They were like, hey, your channel showed up on my home feed and I wanted to reach out. I mean, how nice are they? The support, the encouragement that you've got this. I mean, I got emails that said, don't stop trying. Get your shit back. And I needed that. I needed that kick in the butt because there were days I just didn't want to get out of bed. It was bad. It was hard. It was really hard. Okay, so what I learned and what I would tell my past self, get the Authenticator app, okay? Period, hands down, go do it right now. Not a phone two verification app, because if you're locked out of your account because they changed the recovery phone number, that two-factor verification text message is not gonna matter. If you are getting weird emails, don't click on PDFs inside of your email. For all I know, that's what did it. I was contacted a couple weeks ago by a sponsor or a potential sponsor, and I opened the PDF. I don't know if that's what did it or not, but don't do it. Go directly to the source. If you feel like that you're been hacked or whatever, don't click inside your email. Go directly to the source, go to your internet, log on that way. Do not click on anything inside of emails. Now, I know that I was able to reach out to someone who had over 100,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel, and that opened up a door for me. I know her personally. I would not advise you do that for anyone you don't know. Don't depend on a single email for anything. Use different emails. Lock down that recovery email that you have on your account and make it another email. Don't make it the same email that's attached to all of your other Google accounts. I feel so passionate about this now because this happened to me that I've come to you with half a voice. So I just want to thank everyone. I want to thank John from the YouTube TV support team. Justine, obviously, thank you. Everybody that reached out to me, people that knew me, people that didn't, people that emailed, DM'd me, everything. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I was already feeling so crappy about this world and how if these people would take their brain and use it for good, what a much better place we would be in. So I was already feeling down, but to see that people that didn't even know me were supporting me and encouraging me along the way, you don't know how much that means to me. So if you found me on my other channel and you want to follow this channel, I would be so eternally grateful. Maybe I can get my channel from 82,000 to 100,000. And if this ever happens again, I will be able to fight for myself. So if you haven't followed me, please like, subscribe, and follow. I probably should have waited until I was well and my voice sounds normal, but I just had to come on here and share this with you all. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all the support. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. But hopefully I will feel up to creating more videos very soon. Thank you.